Oh my God. It was completely covered. Was it Laura or not? I was gonna say, was it yours? Because it was not too far, like, here's the table and the lounge.
Hey, Kevin. Hi. Penny. Say hi.
Hi. Okay, we're gonna sing right quick.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. I want a do-over because you're supposed to. Yes.
No, the order was fine. Get him.
Do it again, do it again. Yay! Can you blow out your candle? Go. Yeah. Happy birthday.
You're getting them started, Miss
Happy birthday. Okay.
Get you on camera. You get your moment.